okay? You in here making eye contact with people bricked up.
Somebody must have complained beforehand and said they feel like it was intimidation. I bet you that's what it was.
Well, so here's the transcript. So the judge put the jurors on the break, so they're not in the courtroom, and then the judge asked for a minute with Diddy's attorney, Mark Agnifilio, right? So the judge says, I was very clear this morning that there were not to be any facial expressions or other attempts to have any interaction with the jury whatsoever, any influence on the jury whatsoever, and I could not have been more clear in terms of what I said. You heard me, right? And his attorney says, I did. So then the judge says, well, there was a line of questioning where your client was nodding vigorously and looking at the jury, and there was a subsequent moment we had a sidebar, and I looked and I saw your client looking at the jury and nodding vigorously during that line of questioning. This is absolutely unacceptable. Is it going to happen again, Mr. Agnifilio? And then he says it's not going to happen again. And then the judge says if it does happen again, he won't be allowed in this courtroom for the remainder of the trial.
Why do they make jurors public? Like, why do they even let anybody see the jury? I feel like jurors should have some type of
like a
what's
glass,
the word?
like
Anonymity.
behind one of them glasses.
I don't know. I will say too, during the jury selection, there was one day we were all in line getting our cell phones together, and I'm like, if any of these people is picked, I'm just right here. Like, we're media, we're right here with them.
But not only that, think about this. Some of the actual people that are testifying don't have to put their stuff out there, right? You don't know who they are. They're anonymous. But the jurors, you know who the jurors are through the whole trial.